Wonderful day, kids! Welcome to Gogo Loves English, New Edition, Book 1. I am Teacher Mala from Camglish.com. Gogo Loves English, New Edition is an exciting activity-based course for young learners of English that is fully revised from the original edition. So what are we waiting for? Let's now begin our lesson. Now, let's listen and sing. What's your name? What's your name? I'm Tony. What's your name? I'm Jenny. What's your name? I'm Gogo. I'm Gogo. Hey. Okay, now please read. Very good, English learners. So again, this is Bonnie. He is Tony. Boomer, Gogo, and Jenny. Okay? So now let's enter activity 1. Read and match. Okay. Gogo. Gogo. Boomer. Boomer. Tony. Tony. Bonnie. Bonnie. And Jenny. Jenny. Very good, English learners. So that's all for today. I'm inviting you to enroll here at Camglish.com. Again, this is Teacher Mala, and I hope to see you again in our next lesson. Have a wonderful day. Goodbye.